Going. Ah, yeah, we're not normal out flying this late. Ah, we've got a little bit of a sickness doing this.
Yeah,
Oy.
it's not good. The first track goes right in line with the end of the battery.
So right, like.
Steal. I hope I don't crash.
You won't. Well, hopefully not. Like that.
Or bend the landing gear again.
Did you bend it back?
I don't know how.
Somebody bend it?
Nate did.
Okay. Oh, this doesn't hold in. How do you hold the battery strap?
Let me do it. You're not doing it right.
Here.
You have no.
You do it.
That's not how you do it.
You do it.
Hold it down.
Okay, you do it.
You have to put this here. Use the gold one and all the extra stuff.
Okay. You get it done and then I'll plug it in. Hold on. Oh, you have to put the battery the other way?
Just put one on bottom, one on top. Squish.
Oh, like that?
I can't undo it.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, like that.
Like that? And then
Over
this one on top?
and then tuck the rest in.
Like that?
Yep. And
Okay.
then tuck the rest in, or else it destroys the battery.
Okay.
Okay, don't plug it in yet, because I'm redoing it, because it won't. Don't redo it yet.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see the plane?
Yeah.
You sure?
It has lights. So.
It does?
Yeah, it does. It has lights, and they're bright. As you will see in a second. Okay.
Oh, okay. Throttle ready?
It hasn't bound yet.
There we go. Can you see okay?
That. No. Don't break. And that.
You good? It's kind of dark. You sure you can see okay? You sure? Okay.
Always land it, Ray.
Okay, alright. Is the landing gear bent back or did somebody bend it or leave it?
Nate bent it.
Okay.
3,
Go ahead.
2, 1, use the moment of truth. Let's go.
Okay, if you need help, let me know. I'll help you.
I can see it there.
I can see it too. We're good.
Now the question is if I can see it over here.
You can. Just keep turning back this way. You see it okay?
I can see it, the lights.
Okay, you can see the lights? Okay. Yeah, you can see it pretty good. Keep the light faced away from you, otherwise it blinds you. Okay, that blinds me.
How many minutes do I have?
I don't know. Keep flying, keep flying. I have to turn the thing on your radio. You've got 4 minutes. Happy New Year, guys.
Okay, let's try this. I'm not going to go as far. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Oh, wow, look at you. Look at you. That was the best landing yet. Oh, don't go off the runway.
I made it.
You did it all yourself? Are you going to take off and fly again, or that was it?
No, I have 4 minutes.
Oh, you're still going? Okay, okay. I'm just checking.
I just making sure I can do it.
Just checking.
I figured it out.
Yeah, the landing was good.
I went too far, and I was turning the power off immediately.
Okay.
I was going way too far and turning the power off.
Okay.
Moment of twist again.
Go ahead.
You
Woo-hoo-hoo!
should get one of these.
I don't have room.
Why?
I have to get rid of some planes before I get any more. And I want 3 more planes. 3 more jets.
And get rid of 4.
Really?
200 instead of 300.
Mm-hmm.
When the light's facing, it just looks like they're moving in a different direction. As soon as they go away, I'm okay.
Okay. I think your mom's gonna be getting cold though, so don't stay out too much longer.
She finally figured out how to turn on the heating.
Okay. Oh, you're funny. I need to put a mix in your plane.
Why?
For your rudder. You need rudder to aileron mix. Aileron to rudder mix.
I like flying like this. This is how I always fly.
Okay. Whoa.
That was with rudder.
Okay.
Rudder isn't that good.
Okay.
Thank you, Yankee.
Whoa. Whoa.
Can you still see it?
Yeah, I'm good. The lights help.
Yeah. They do. I can easily see it without the light. Okay. Wait, no, I'm not lying. I'm gonna destroy this.
How much time do you have
2
left?
minutes.
Okay.
This
Okay.
This is me. SD card that came out of here, so.
Okay. There's a rabbit. A wabbit. Yes, time to land, because I gotta get ready to go. Whoa, hot rod. It's too far. Throttle up, go. Go around. Ooh, don't stall it, don't stall it.
Not stalling.
Okay. Ooh. Ah! Ooh, you stalled it. You did stall it. Oh, oof, oof, oof. Ouch.
I powered up and it went.
Okay. Alright, well that's enough. Bring it back in.
Could you bend it back?
Yeah, I can bend it if it's bent.
Is it?
I don't think it did though.
It doesn't think
Those lights work pretty good. Turn it this way. Bring it back. Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. I see. I think your gear's okay. It's fine. I don't need to bend it. It's maybe one side a little bit. No, I think it's good. I don't need to bend it at all. It's good. Looks good to me. So let's get it unplugged.
I'm gonna go right back and do it.
What?
I'm gonna taxi it all the way.
Okay, you can do it on your own. You're done. We need to go. Because I have to pack up before it gets too dark. Yeah, you're done. Taxi back and you can unplug over there.
The last time I flew this battery, I had 6 minutes and I was straining it.
Okay.
They has it now on 5, so
Okay.
I know that I can go on seconds and half.
Alrighty. Well, he did really good.